Title: Benny the Sneezing Bear. Benny the bear loved honey more than anything. But every time he ate honey, he sneezed so hard that trees shook and birds flew in zigzags. One morning, he found a huge jar of rainbow honey. He ate it all up. Achoo! His hat flew onto a squirrel's head. The squirrel started dancing, and soon all the forest animals joined in, laughing and spinning around. By the end of the day, Benny was tired but happy. Everyone agreed it was the funniest day ever. Even Benny's sneezes could bring joy to his friends.